Hi YouTube. So today we are going to react to Shogun, a new Japanese show that I have no clue about, only that it must be about shoguns.
I have no clue about it. So
Yeah.
yeah, let's just get into the trailer.
Yeah, we are very sleepy today, but we thought we'd watch at least a trailer. So,
Yeah. Okay, let's just get into the video and
Yeah.
I feel like it. Do the trailer.
Yeah, just
Okay.
see you.
Oh, Pretty Woman. What is it?
Do not be fooled by our politeness.
Oh, this is in English.
Our vows are made of rituals. Death is in our air.
It's made in a very Netflix style.
Yeah.
Like it doesn't feel Japanese. It's almost like a westernized Japanese show.
Is it like I think it's not by Japanese director or it's not in Japanese. They have Japanese cast.
Yeah.
But maybe it's not like a Japanese show.
I'm not sure because the way they're pacing the trailer in itself seems very westernized to me anyway.
Yeah.
But I do like it too.
I just like it. I like the woman at the
In
start.
sea and earth.
Pirates of the Caribbean.
Yeah, that kind of way.
Yeah.
We live and we die.
Also, Memoirs of a Geisha. it reminds me
Yeah.
of that also.
We control nothing beyond that.
There's
Yeah, a white girl.
a white.
There's a saying out here.
It's not by like Japanese
Yeah, that seems
directors, I think.
One in his mouth for the world to know. Another in his chest. Buried deep
Very deep.
where no one can find it.
Oh, nice.
It was
I really like how, even though it's kind of Western, but they've really inculcated. I mean, obviously, they're showcasing Japan and Japanese
Yeah,
culture
kabuki
really
and
well.
all of that.
Kabuki and all of the masks and everything.
But still, even with that, it doesn't give me like Japanese feeling. Like,
Yeah, but I
it's-
don't know. Is it the music? Or
I think it's the-
pacing.
I think it's the music and the way like the shots are taken as well.
Also, just English language.
Just English language. FX presents.
What kind of man wields power in a land like this? The one with the open or the one you never see? Will I die here? Likely.
This can actually make a really good game.
Yeah.
Oh, there is some Japanese.
Like, I think minimal Japanese. Just to
Yeah, just do it every time. Why do you put this only? It comes to Japanese.
Is yours.
I like the
If you can't
I
see
like this.
This, yeah, actress.
Yeah. I don't know her name.
覚悟はできておるか。
覚悟はできておりまする。
Minimasaru.
Yeah. I was like, is my Japanese bad or is it some other kind of Japanese?
No. It's like I've seen in historical dramas.
Yeah,
they
it's
do
like old-timey Japanese.
old-timey Japanese. It's supposed to be old-timey. It doesn't feel
It doesn't.
old-timey.
Yeah, because the way they've sort of directed. Is this
Yeah.
show out yet? It's out, I think.
It's out.
Yeah, right. I do feel like watching it because I'm happy the way they've portrayed Japanese culture and everything, of course.
Yeah.
And I feel because it's slightly westernized, maybe it'll reach out to more people. Like it'll
Yeah.
maybe
Maybe even
be
reach out
relatable to more people, I guess.
be relatable to more people and still be relatable to Japanese people
Japanese
as well,
people as well.
because
Although I don't know if they'll like this
I-
westernization.
I don't know. I think Japanese people in general appreciate when somebody
Yeah, that's true.
like inculcates their culture. Like even when people wear yukata and all of that,
Yeah.
they're generally happy about it.
I think so, yeah. Maybe Japanese people will be just happy, but
yeah,
audience other than Japanese people,
they might.
there will probably be a split.
Huh.
Because people like us probably, we sound like a snob right now, but people like us would probably prefer more Japanese style of dramas instead of
Yeah,
this.
I mean,
It will definitely have its own like action element or like fast pace and all that.
this does look appealing, but I can't say it is Japanese. It doesn't
Yeah.
feel
Yeah,
very
that's
Japanese
Yeah, there was this show. I'm forgetting the name of the show. It's a Korean show. I mean, it's supposed to be based in Korea,
Yeah.
and it's a zombie show,
Yeah.
but it's based in old, ancient time Korea.
Yeah.
But when I watched that show, it didn't feel like it was a Korean show. Like it's like based in Korea. It just
Yeah.
seemed like just another zombie show. So
Was it in English?
I think it was in English. It's a Netflix show only. So it was very like this kind of a very Netflix vibe kind of a show.
Yeah, I mean, like with these sort of movies, even though the casting and the costume and all of that is like they would show Korean
Yeah.
or Japanese, but somehow it doesn't feel like
Yeah, because
Japanese or Korean enough.
doesn't it feel like the culture is almost like an afterthought? It's like a
Yeah.
secondary element to
Yeah.
the show. So the story or like the
Yeah.
thriller aspect is the main aspect of the show,
Yeah.
and then in hindsight they thought,
It's-
okay, let's base
yeah,
it in
it's not like-
Japan or someplace.
Yeah,
like this.
it's
It's not
not
about
like
Japan.
I hate those sort of shows.
Yeah.
They are interesting
Yeah,
in their
yeah.
own way.
I think this would also be interesting.
This would be
for-
interesting, I think.
Yeah.
I would want to watch it for the actress. She looks really
Yeah.
pretty.
Also, the cinematography in general. I mean, it kind of looks like it's an expensive show.
Yeah.
It looks like that. So,
Looks also slightly, not slightly, it looks Western
yeah.
and yeah, it's good. It looks
We sound very negative, but we're trying to go towards positive now. Yeah, definitely.
yeah,
did have its
we're just
positives.
comparing it to like Japanese
Just
shows
traditional.
that we have watched. It doesn't look like that, but doesn't necessarily mean that it's not gonna be a good show. It
Yeah.
looks like a good show.
Yeah.
And I do like there was this one scene, the I think opening scene, you have a ship sailing,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
It's very Pirates of the Caribbean.
Entire trailer had multiple moments, I would say,
Yeah.
that felt like Pirates of the Caribbean for some reason to
Yeah.
me also. Yeah.
Okay, so that was it for
Yeah.
our reaction to Shogun official trailer.
Yeah, short reaction.
Very short reaction. We will try and watch this show. Actually, I do want to watch it. It's like seems interesting.
Yeah. But how many of you watch such shows or have watched this show? Curious to know.
Yeah, and if you have, you can tell us about those shows. If you have watched Shogun as well, give us like some review so that we can also
Think
go
about
with some information. Okay, that was it for our reaction today, and hope you like it. And if you do the drill, please like, share, subscribe, and leave comments in the comment section. And we'll see you in the next one. Okay, bye bye.
Bye.